So welcome to our next class. So generally we find that people say, why do we learn math when it is so difficult subject? Why do we learn this when we use it in day-to-day life? But let me tell you that math is all around us. So can you read this slogan? What it is? Sharing is caring. Everybody says that sharing is caring. But if the sharing is not equally, then it is called unfair. Sharing अगर proper नहीं होगी, so that means that is not fair thing, right? So sharing is caring only when we share the things properly or equally. Now, where do we learn this concept? Sharing. We learn it everywhere, in the classroom, in the different period, or as well as in the classroom when we share our pencils, erasers with the friends, right? Sharing we also learn in one more place. Where it is? It is your maths class. Right. In maths class we learn share the topic of division. Division, it is also called equal sharing. When we share the things equally, that is called division. Okay? So today we will learn division with one activity. So it's our activity time. So let's learn the division with this activity. Okay? Are you excited? Yeah? Okay. So let's get started. So today we will do the division with the method of repeated subtraction. Okay? So in repeated subtraction method, what we will do? Suppose here I have the things here, right? What it is? Yes, it is erasers. So let me count how many erasers I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So I have 20 erasers. Okay. Now let's take a problem that we will solve with the help of repeated subtraction method. So the first problem is 20 divided by 4. This is the sign of division. Okay, this is the sign of division. So we have to divide this 20 eraser among these 4 boxes. Okay, so the equation is 20 divided by 4. So let's solve this sum with the help of repeated subtraction method. Okay, what we will do? Firstly, I'll take one eraser, give it to the first box or put it into a first box. Then I take another eraser in the second, another in the third, another in the fourth. So how many erasers I have distributed? I have distributed 4 erasers. So we have shared 4 erasers now. Okay. Earlier we have how many erasers we have? We have 20. And how many we have shared among the 20? That is 4. So how many are left with us? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many are left? 16. Now we have 16 eraser. Again we will give one in each box. Let's start. 1 in the second, 1 in the third box and 1 in the fourth box. So again how many erasers we shared? We shared 4 erasers. That means 16 minus 4. So how many erasers are left with us? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we left with 12 erasers. Again we will distribute one eraser. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we distribute 4 eraser. So 12 minus 4 is, how many we left? Yes, we left with 8 erasers. Good. Now again we will share one more eraser. One in third box, one in fourth box. So that means 8 minus 4. How many erasers are left? Can you count the eraser? Yes, it is 4. Very good. So let's share again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we have 4 erasers and we shared all the 4 erasers. What is left with us? What is left with us? We left nothing. That means 0. Right? That means 0. Now we will count that how many times we have shared 4 eraser in each group. Okay? So this is our first time. This is our first time. This is our second time. This is the third time, fourth time and fifth time. So how many times we have shared this eraser? 5 times. Right. So the 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. You can also count the number of things. Here we have erasers now. So you can also count the erasers in each box. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are also 5. Let's count in the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? In the third box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. In the fourth box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. And this is called our repeated subtraction method. We will count the steps कि कितने steps में we have distributed all the things. So that is called number of the steps is our answer. Okay, is it clear to you? Let's take another example. So let's take another example. Now we have a problem that we have to divide 12 crayons among 3 boxes. Okay, we have to divide these 12 crayons among these 3 boxes. Okay, with the same method, that is repeated subtraction. Okay, so let's see how we will do this. So first we take one crayon and place it in first box. Then we will take another crayon, place it in second box. Then again we will take one crayon and place it in third box. So how many crayons we have distributed from 12? 3. Right. So what we will do? 12 minus 3. Repeated subtraction method now. So what we will do? 12 minus 3. So let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 9 crayons. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now we have to share again among these 9. We have to share the 3 crayons again. So 1, 2, 3. So again I have shared 3 crayons. So 9 minus 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 6 crayons are left. How many are left? 6 crayons are left. Again, I have to share. So, 1, 2, 3. Now, what I have done? I have distributed 3 crayons from 6. So, how many are left? 6 minus 3. How many are left here? 3. Right. So, now I'll share again. 1, 2, 3. So, again I have shared. So, how many crayons are left with me? I have shared 3 crayons. So, how many are left with me? 0. How many are left with me? 0. Very good. So, let's count the steps that kitne steps we have used to distribute these crayons. So, this is our first step. This is our first step. This is our second step. This is third step, and this is fourth step. So how many steps we used? We used 4 steps, right? So that means 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. How we read this statement? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. You can also count the number of crayons in each box. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in each box we have 4 crayons. Right? So, this method is called repeated subtraction method. I hope you understand this concept. So, thank you. Have a nice day.